Hello, this is Ed with OAXRAY, and today we're going to talk about how the Amazon amendment could affect your business. Today I wanted to talk about something that we don't talk about a lot, and that is Amazon business buyers. So Amazon business buyers have been able for the last couple of years to purchase items with a sales tax-free certificate on file. They've been able to purchase it at different prices if you decide to sell an item cheaper to business buyers or give bulk discounts. There's just a lot of different things you can do in the Amazon business buyers section, and I think a lot of people aren't taking advantage of that. But what we have is Amazon trying to stick its nose into the government realm. So right now, as far as I understand it, whenever a government needs 10,000 paper clips or notepads or whatever it is, there generally has to be this bidding process that goes on depending on the amount that the items are selling for. So there's this bidding process going on for paper clips. And what that does is it actually makes it more expensive for the paper clips, because every company is not going to bid on a $1,000 contract for paper clips. So there's less competition. It's just kind of a bureaucratic system. So what Amazon is trying to do is actually put in a bill or part of a bill, which is going to make it so that someone who needs 1,000 paper clips can simply go online, like a place to Amazon, and just purchase those paper clips. It gets rid of bureaucracy. It's going to cut down the time because Amazon's going to ship it within 2 days. There's not going to be all of these different requirements that are happening right now where you just need to wait on this bidding process, wait to get these paper clips, and it just is a long, drawn out thing. They're trying to make it so that it is very easy for the government to simply sign up for Business Prime and then actually just send this directly to the customers. And you have other companies like Grainger that supply the government with a lot of these products because they know the ins and outs and how to bid on things. But Amazon is saying, hey, we have a better process. We can ship it to you in 2 days. There's actual competition on our website. And if you need paper clips or notepads, we can provide those to you easily. So let's make it easier for the government to purchase from us. This actually caused the stock price of these other companies to go down, because if something like this passes, we're getting rid of the bureaucracy and we're making it so that just about any Amazon business listing that's listed as a business listing should be eligible for this program. Now, what this means for you is that you might have government buyers actually purchasing products that you have in stock. So this actually gives Amazon a lot more leverage, and it allows them into the government realm of purchasing items, and this actually might affect your business. So if you haven't registered for the Amazon Business Program, which allows you to set specific pricing for business buyers, and it actually allows you to set discounts and for people to get out of the sales tax, because they're able to put their sales tax information on file so that they don't have to pay the local sales tax for your state, it actually can be helpful. So if I were you, I'd be keeping track of how the Amazon amendment might be affecting your business. I think the people who are first in getting here and understanding some of the things that the government buyers are going to be looking for will be able to actually capitalize on this the best and make the most money off of this amendment. So keep your eye on things like this, because this might be something where you might know a supplier of paper clips or whatever it is that are made in America. And maybe one of the requirements is that it's made in America, or it's that it's small business, or one of these other kind of carve-outs, I guess you can say. So you want to make sure you have your ducks in a row. If there's something that you know that's manufactured in the US and it's required to be, maybe you want to make sure that your listing has the appropriate information so that a business buyer knows what they need to know, and your item will come up on their radar for being purchased. So keep an eye out on this. If you do a search This is on theintercept.com. If you go to Facebook and you go to our page, you will also see this there, and you can get some more details about how this might affect your business and how you can capitalize on this. Thank you guys very much. Have a great day. Make some money using OAXRAY. Please like and subscribe, and if you have a question about Amazon, put a comment down below and I'll make a video about it as soon as I can.